Hello, my name's Teresa Greenway. Welcome to my course on having more fun with sourdough. Using freshly ground grain is one way to really impact the flavor of your bread. In this course, we will be using a lot of freshly ground whole grains. You'll be learning how to figure out desired dough temperature and how to make dough binders. Dough binders are a lot of fun. They help the bread to spring up in the oven. There are 10 formulas that you're going to be having fun with. Some of the breads we will be baking in this course are Khorasan or Kamut, ranch sourdough, spring fling, July loaf, cran nut sourdough, organic spring wheat ciabatta type loaves, a one-day miche. We'll be making seeded loaves, high hydration loaves. We'll be using mother dough. We'll be baking beetroot bread and even a dinosaur loaf. That's a lot of breads, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So let's get started. Let's have some fun.